A team of scientists has created an ultra-thin battery that measures in micrometers. This battery can be charged by saline solution and has the potential to power smart contact lenses. A team of scientists hailing from Nanyang Technological University in Singapore have created a pliant battery that is as thin as the average human cornea. This battery has the ability to store electrical energy when submerged in saline solution, and it holds the potential to power smart contact lenses in the future. Highly advanced contact lenses, referred to as smart contact lenses, have the capacity to project visual data onto our corneas and are able to facilitate augmented reality. Presently, these lenses are utilized to improve visual impairments, monitor the overall health of the wearer, and identify and provide treatment for illnesses that commonly affect those with chronic conditions such as glaucoma and diabetes. As technology continues to progress, smart contact lenses could potentially record and transmit all visual and auditory input detected by the wearer to cloud-based storage systems. In order to attain this potential for future technology, it is imperative to construct a secure and fitting battery to provide the necessary power. Current forms of rechargeable batteries are dependent upon metallic wires or induction coils, rendering them unsuitable for usage within the human eye due to the uncomfortable nature of these components and the risks they pose to the user. The battery created by NTU is constructed of biocompatible materials and does not feature any wires or toxic heavy metals, unlike traditional wireless charging systems and lithium-ion batteries. The battery is coated in a glucose-based substance that responds to the presence of sodium and chloride ions within the saline solution that surrounds it. The water contained within the battery acts as a conduit for electricity to be produced. It is conceivable that the battery could be sustained by human tears, as they contain sodium and potassium ions in a less concentrated form. By testing the battery with a simulated tear solution, the researchers discovered that it could provide an extra hour of usage for every 12-hour wearing cycle. Moreover, the battery can be charged through traditional means via an external power source. The leader of the study, Associate Professor Lee Seok Woo, hailing from NTU's School of Electrical and Electronic Engineering, EEE, stated that their research started with a relatively basic inquiry. Could our tears recharge contact lens batteries? They discovered comparable instances of self-charging batteries, such as those used in wearable technology that are fueled by the sweat of humans. The prior techniques used for lens batteries were flawed in that only one side of the battery electrode could be charged at a time. Our new method uses a distinct combination of enzymatic reaction and self-reduction reaction to charge both electrodes of the battery. In addition to the charging process, our approach only requires glucose and water to produce electricity. These materials are harmless to humans and are less detrimental to the environment when disposed of, in comparison to traditional batteries. According to Dr. Yun Jong-hun, who is a research fellow from NTU's EEE and co-first author, the most prevalent battery charging method for smart contact lenses involves the use of metal electrodes. However, this poses a potential danger if these electrodes come into contact with the naked human eye. Another method, induction charging, necessitates a coil within the lens to transmit power, similar to a wireless charging pad for a smartphone. Our tear-powered battery obviates the concerns raised by these two approaches, while also enabling more space for innovation in the development of smart contact lenses. Associate Professor Murukashan Vadake Matam of NTU, School of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, an expert in biomedical and nanoscale optics who was not involved in the research, emphasized the importance of the research team's work. The battery that was developed relies on glucose oxidase, a naturally occurring substance in the human body, and is powered by chloride and sodium ions, which are present in tears. This makes the battery compatible with human usage. In addition, the smart contact lenses industry has been searching for a biocompatible thin battery that does not contain heavy metals, and this invention has the potential to meet some of the industry's unfulfilled needs and further its development. Through Intuitive, the enterprise and innovation company of NTU, the team of researchers have filed a patent for their invention and are concurrently striving to bring their innovation to the commercial market. In June, the results of the study were made public through the publication of a scientific article in the Nano Energy Journal. To showcase the functionality of their creation, the team utilized a model of a human eye. The battery, measuring at an approximate width of 0.5 millimeters, generates electricity through a reaction with basal tears, the tears that coat the surface of our eyes, to enable the operation of the technology incorporated within the lenses. The battery embedded within the contact lenses is both malleable and slender. It operates through a phenomenon known as reduction, which occurs when the glucose oxidase coating on the battery interacts with the sodium and chloride ions present in tears. This interaction produces an electrical charge and a flow of energy, powering the contact lenses. Through their experiments, the team exhibited that the battery had the capability to generate a current of 45 microamperes and a maximum power output of 201 microwatts. This level of power is adequate to supply energy to a smart contact lens. According to laboratory examinations, it has been demonstrated that the battery has the capacity to undergo the process of charging and discharging as many as 200 times. This is in contrast to conventional lithium-ion batteries, which typically have a lifespan that ranges between 300 to 500 charging cycles. For optimal battery performance, the team suggests placing it in a solution with abundant glucose, sodium and potassium ions for a minimum of 8 hours, while the user is asleep. This will allow for proper charging and ensure longevity. Ms. Li Zongkang, a PhD student from NTU's EE who has co-authored the study, stated that the integration of wireless power transmission and supercapacitors poses a significant challenge due to the limited space available in the lens. However, by merging the biofuel cell and battery into a single component, the battery can self-charge without any additional wired or wireless components. Additionally, the placement of electrodes on the outer surface of the contact lens ensures unobstructed vision for the wearer. The team at NTU is planning to conduct additional research to enhance the quantity of electrical current that their battery can discharge. Furthermore, they will be collaborating with several companies that specialize in contact lenses to integrate their technological advancements. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.